Yes, I think one of the first things that's going to happen is a permanent demarcation and recording of the right of water, just as we have the right of way for humans, we have to make sure that we demarcate it, just as we do our properties. This is a property, the joint property for our future generations that we have to maintain. So once those waterways are demarcated, anything that is in their way, I think will have to be managed in some way. It has to be removed and those waterways protected for our future generations in order to make sure that these floods, which are in a way an asset for us also. I mean, this is how the land renews itself. It's like, someone has likened it to the river breathing in and breathing out. But this breathing in and out has to have, of course, some legal ramifications. And the very first duty of the government, I think, which is going to happen in the next few months, is a permanent demarcation of these waterways to ensure that there is no encroachment on it in the future.